Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie.
And Emily. I'm back again.
Yes, I love having Emily help me. This is going to be so much fun today. Before we get started on this fun quilt of Make Yourself at Home, I want to tell you we are going to do a giveaway, and Emily will announce the winners next Tuesday. So to start with, I'm going to kind of describe what you are going to win. So first of all, we're going to give away a fat quarter bundle of Make Yourself at Home fabrics by Kimberbell Designs with Maywood Studios. And it also will come with a tube of our new Polka Dot Glitter. And you can see this is a white one. It's so fun to use, especially for this Easter season coming up. And also a Polka Dot Tea Towel. Look at this, so much fun. And this is one of our new Kimberbell blanks. So that is going to be one. There's actually two bundles, right? So as we mentioned, this is the second bundle, and actually it has pink polka dot glitter and a warm gray polka dot tea towel. So two lucky winners. We are so excited. So I'm sure you're wondering, how am I going to win? Let me just explain, and then I'm going to show you actually how it's done. First of all, you're going to like the video, not this Tuesday tip video, but you're going to like the Make Yourself at Home video, and I will show you how you find that. And then once you like the video, watch it first. You're going to love it. It is very, very enduring. I love it. Have you seen the video?
Yes, it is so cute.
It is so cute. You're going to love the video. So first you'll like the video, then you're going to make a comment. And the comment I would like to hear is, what is your favorite room or place in your house? Mine might be my bed. I don't know. So anyway, let us know what your favorite place is in your home. And the last thing you'll do is tag somebody and share the video. So when you're sharing it, you tag your friends. The more tags that you make, the more entries that you will get. So that's how you can make lots of entries. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to slide my computer over here. And if you are on Facebook, you're going to go to Facebook at Kimberbell Designs, and it should be one of the very first posts that you see. So it says giveaway announcement. That's what we're looking for. This is what you want to enter in, is on this post right here. So you're going to watch this cute video of Make Yourself at Home. It is on a YouTube, so it'll flip you to YouTube. Watch it. You're going to love it. Then you're going to come and you're going to go down here and you're going to like the video. So you hit like right there, and then you're going to comment on your favorite place in your home, and then you're going to share this, and you're going to share and tag. The more people you tag, the more chances you have of winning. That is how you will go about doing that.
Love it.
Does that work?
And remember, if you can tag people for more entries, so you can tag people. It works best if you tag an individual in each comment.
Very good. So share and tag. Let's just say I'm going to tag my mom. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to do it one more time, and I'm going to tag my sister-in-law who loves to quilt, and I'm going to keep doing that.
For an unlimited number of entries.
Unlimited number of entries.
I love it. Let's
Isn't
do
that
it.
great? All right. Thank you. And I am excited to do and see what giveaways we have and who wins. I'm so excited for that. All right, today we are going to show what is in the embellishment kit. There is an embellishment kit that comes with this quilt that is, so if you wanted to get the embellishment kit, you're going to love it, and I'll show you why you would love to have the kit. This is the kit right here, and as you can see, it comes with a whole lot of goodies, and can you imagine trying to go and gather all those things? It would take a lot of work too. So I'm excited. Let's open this up and let's see what's in the quilt, right? This kit. All right, so oh, how fun. We have got the ribbon, and we've got both the red and the blue ribbon, and buttons, and the twine. And as you can see on the quilt, here's the red and the blue ribbon right here. These are some fun flowers. And next week, Emily's going to show you how to make those flowers. They're super fun and super easy. And you've got the yellow. And so you've got the yellow, and you can see the yellow buttons right here. You don't have to go searching for buttons. They're right here. And the twine. This is so much fun. If you can see the twine and these cute clips, look at this. Do you see that? we've used the twine to make a little clothesline between those two trees, and hanging on it is this cute little quilt, and you use the clothespins on that. And I'm going to come back to that quilt because there's something extra special about that quilt. And then there's these, the black buttons are in here for all the doorknobs on all the houses. And I'm just gonna pull this out. This is just so much fun. Does anyone recognize, this is a panel that comes in the embellishment kit, and you can make this little mini quilt from this panel right here.
See if anybody comments. Tell us in the comments.
Yes,
if they
tell
know
us in
what
the
it
comment
is.
if you can see and if you recognize that quilt right there. That is a fun quilt, and it's really fun because it's a special quilt within a special quilt. How fun is that? And then also on this panel comes other pillows that you get to make. And I'm going to let Emily point out one of the pillows on that side over there.
Yes, so right here we have this make yourself at home bench pillow that is on this couch right here. And then we have,
And that's also one of our bench buddies
Yes.
in this same collection. How cool is that?
We have some comments. I think they know what it is.
Oh,
Alice,
okay.
Becky, and Sharon all said, "Hello, sunshine."
Oh,
Way to go.
Alice, Becky, and Bev.
And Bev, and now Lynn.
And now, oh, you guys are right. You
They
are
got
dead
it.
on. It is Hello Sunshine. How fun to have a little Hello Sunshine quilt in your make yourself at home quilt. I
Deborah
just think
got it
that is
too.
so
How
fun. And if you look down here, this is just so much fun. So right here you can see that there's the panel piece to make the pillow, and here's the pillow made. And look at that, it's a matching bench buddy. So you can make this. This is also a pattern in the same make yourself at home pattern. How fun is that? Isn't this just getting more fun? I love this. All right, let me show you some other things that are in this embellishment.
unwrap
Is these wonderful, and they're called flexible foam. These foam pieces. This is the key to making these couches so fun and puff up. You can see how they just puff right out. It is also used in the quilt and making the pillows, and it's in the pillow forms. So this is really great to have right in the embellishment kit. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that glitter over there,
Yes.
Emily?
So this is the polka dot glitter that you can win in our giveaway. So it's used right here on the lamp. If you can see underneath, we put some yellow fabric, and then over the top we have this polka dot glitter, so you can see just a little bit of a yellow underneath.
Like a
It
light
makes
looks like it's on.
shine.
Yes.
Yeah, light
Isn't
shine. You
that
can
so
see the
fun?
twine. Just like I want to just
little
turn that
pole.
little lamp on
Yep.
right there. That is so
that's
much fun.
the glitter that we use right there, and then we also have the white polka dot glitter that's used in our other lamp over
right
here.
here. Lots of fun. So much fun. And if you note, I don't know if you can see these cute windows. Look at these. There's some that have the mylar. There's little plants there behind there, and then we've got this using the mylar, and so right, of course, comes with the mylar, both the gold right here that's used on the lamp and the iridescent mylar that's used on some of these windows, as well as the vinyl. So you've got some real fun looking windows. And speaking of houses, this is just a really personalized quilt from Kimberbell to you. And here's why. Right
So-
over here, we'll start up here, right here, and I'm just gonna give you a few. But right here, this is Emily's house.
It's
This
my
is Emily's house right here. Isn't that so much fun? And we've got Carmen's couch. If you've ever called customer service or customer care, Carmen is usually the one that you'll be talking to. And she always has a fun smile. She's just a sweet, sweet gal.
Yep, and then this corner right here, this is Laurie's house.
Yay!
So when you're stitching that, you can think of Laurie. I just love this cute little flower in the window there.
I can only
So
imagine, Laurie. Your house
fun.
probably always.
You know, this would actually be, my house looks very similar to this, and this would be my quilting window. That's where the light is always on at night, because I'm upstairs quilting. So much fun. So I just wanted to just kind of give you an overview then of what is in those embellishment kit. That embellishment kit is just phenomenal,
Yes.
isn't it? To be able to make these little quilts and the pillows that match the Hello Sunshine quilt, as well as our bench buddies that come in this collection. So I hope that you'll enjoy, and please don't forget to enter to win. I'm sure you won't forget that one, right? That's
Yes.
important. And you'll join us next week as Emily announces the giveaway, the winners for that giveaway. And she's going to teach you how to make these beautiful flowers for your quilt. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.